What are you cooking there, darling?
Corned beef.
Okay. You have a chef assistant.
What?
You have a chef assistant in your back.
Yes. I think he's waiting for a reward.
Terence is cooking for corned beef. What time
I'll
is
give
it?
him a little.
It's 10 o'clock. It started to clear now.
He's what?
It started to clear the clouds.
Yeah. I'll go on my back.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, so we got that dog in somewhere in Claren. So the owner on that is a Filipina married to, I think, I don't know the nationality of the foreigner, but we're very very glad to have him, to have that dog. It's very friendly. It's kind of opposite of Ryder. It's because he didn't run away, you know. Ryder, now we always put a tide on him because this is his last December he got wound, so we need to bring it to the veterinarian for the sketch tahi for the tahi. And then now it's another one here last week, and we brought an again to the veterinarian because of the cat. He got a big cat, and we need to do another tahi, so that's the opposite on this dog. You're an 8-year-old now, right? You know that. Old little baby dog. And that dog has always been waiting for Terence for his food. And he's not picky. He eat dog food, he eat rice. Look at that, he got his meal now. Ryder will not eat even corned beef.